guys? Welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Majin Buu. If you must know, Majin Buu, he's a big friend of Goku, and he's from the Dragon Ball Fighters area, and is one of the main villains from Dragon Ball Z Kai, the final chapters. Well, not anymore at least. You see, a known fact about Majin Buu, he was created by an evil wizard named Bibbidi, and he was entrusted to his son Bobbidi. And another thing, you see, this blobby, he wasn't always like this. He used to be another character called Kid Buu. Yeah, split personality. He was evil until he absorbs the Supreme Kai's goodness inside of him, the Supreme Kai's mentor, and he became a cheerful and normal person. And, well, when drawing him, he has the holes like Frieza. Another fact about him, he's completely... his special attack, well, he has the capability of turning people into candy. I mean, who does that? Who does that? Turning people into candy? Gross. Anyways, in the show, he devoured Deborah, turned him into a shortbread cookie, and, he killed Bibbidi, and, well, he became a friend of Mr. Satan. Anyways, people thought he was scary because he was hostile and misguided. Sure, his power was unstoppable, but, he has his own pet, and, well, you see, he didn't want to be evil anymore, so in rage, he bloated out the evil side of him, but, that evil side of him devoured him, resulting in Super Buu. And then, when Goku and Vegeta were inside his body, they removed Majin Buu from inside of him. And, he transformed back into Kid Buu. Anyways, Majin Buu, he was seen in a whole lot of episodes. He competed for the Tournament of Destroyers, but he fell asleep through that. He was in the Grand Zeno Expo and won. And he's one of the combatants for the Tournament of Power. He was originally supposed to be in the Tournament of Power, except he fell asleep and was replaced by Frieza. Can you believe that? That is not how I wanted things to go. I wanted Majin Buu to be in the Tournament of Power, and see him fight against Basil again. I hope one day they'll redo the Tournament of Power, and only this time they'll include Majin Buu and have Frieza at the same time. Only this time that they have 11 fighters instead of 10. That'd be way better than that Tournament of Power. Anyways, let's get started, shall we? We're almost done, folks. Okay. For his belt, you must draw the Majin symbol. There we go. Okay, there's his cape. would have thought this paper would have so much space. Okay, here's his cape. And there he is, folks. That's how you draw Majin Buu. Anyways. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell ya. When he transformed into Kid Buu, he spit out his Majin Buu side. The good side. Well, anyways, the good side of Majin Buu, he became Mr. Satan's good friend and have been best pals ever since. Sure, he gets cranky when he gets hungry, but still. But anyways, I finished the story. Anyways, that's all for now. I drew that tentacle above his head, and that's about all. I'll see you guys next time.